sweet macaroni salad. We're going to put it next to some Hawaiian teriyaki chicken tacos. What a fantastic night that was. Oh, doesn't that look good? Well, that's me. I'm Instant Pot Dave of TheWildWaynes, sitting with my beautiful daughter. She's eating onions and I'm having sweet macaroni salad. I'm going to start this off with this thin sliced red onion. And we'll slice up a rib of celery. Chop those leaves up too, why not? Let's move over to our sauce here. Got a little rice wine vinegar, some salt and pepper, a couple teaspoons of sugar. If you want a little sweeter, you can add another teaspoon. Let's add our onions and celery. Got a half a cup of mayo. If you like your salads a little saucy, you can another half a cup in there of mayo. And we have a cup and a half of shredded cabbage. Now we have some pasta that I cooked with 6 cups of water and 3 teaspoons of chicken bouillon powder. Give this macaroni a real nice flavor to go into our salad. Mix it up real well, get all those ingredients mixed up. A beautiful sight, everybody. Put a plastic wrap over the top and stick it in the refrigerator for at least a couple of hours before you eat it. Let those flavors meld real nice. Sit down and take a bite of this. Oh yeah. Yep, I remember that. That was good. That's it, everybody. Well, if you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. If you want this recipe, there is a link in this video's description. Click on that, it'll take you straight to it. You can print it off. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Wow!